What is swing trading? Basically, it means trading on price reversals in mid-term trends. But is it potentially a profitable market approach? Absolutely. But does it suit you as a main strategy? Let's find that out together. As I share some practical trading tips with you, I'll also ask you a few yes or no questions. Write down your answers, and at the end of the video, I'll explain what they mean for you. With swing trading, your average trade may stay open for days or weeks. And what does that mean for you? It means a laid-back trading, relaxed and chilled. You look at a chart, decide on a trade, open it for a day or maybe leave it for a week. That sounds appealing, right? Keep watching to find out if this style is a good fit for you. And here comes my first test question for you. Do you feel comfortable holding a position for a few days or a week? Please answer in the comments just a yes or a no. If you're not sure how to answer, think about it this way. First, are you patient enough to wait that long? Waiting for a few days or weeks can be uncomfortable for some. Second, how do you plan to fit trading into your lifestyle? For example, trading at lunch breaks and enjoying family time in the evening. That may be a viable option for some, but incompatible with swing trading. Speaking of family time, let's move on to test question number 2. Do you have enough time to analyze the market in the evening rather than to trade all day? Once again, that's a yes or a no question. Answer in the comments. Why is that important? Because understanding mid-term price trends is key to swing trading. To reach that understanding, you need to have thoroughly analyzed the market every day. And that analysis won't just be a 5-minute chart screening like you have in intraday trading and scalping. Watch the videos, by the way. They are spot on. With swing trading, you'd really have to sink your teeth into charts. And that requires patience, time, and the right state of mind. And maybe some more time. I almost forgot. It's also time for you to like and subscribe. It's not like you won't have another time to do that. But you know, there is no time like the present. Another key feature of swing trading is that it's all about market reversals. They are important because they signal profitable entry and exit points in a trend's life cycle. A new trend always begins when the current trend ends. And this could be pauses, peaks, or movement in the opposite direction. So here comes my third question to you. Are you prepared to monitor the market reversals to maximize your gains? Answer yes or no in the comments. This question is about your preferred approach to price analysis and the corresponding trading strategy. For example, you may be experienced in making in-trend trades or going against the trend, but that may be of little use when it comes to spotting potential price reversals. Another thing to note is indicators. Trade indicators like EMA are perfect for predicting price directions, but swing trading is based on market reversals. Can you spot one with EMA alone? Hardly. With 2 EMAs, maybe possibly. With 2 EMAs and an RSI, that would be highly likely. So, swing trading requires knowledge of specific indicators and their combinations. Generally, are you interested in technical analysis and are able to use it to make decisions? That's my last question for you for today, but it's as fundamental in swing trading as the other ones. Answer yes or no in the comment. Why is this important? Swing trading relies heavily on technical analysis, including indicators, and not everyone is fond of it. You may be more into fundamental analysis or maybe well into technical analysis, but that's just for finding your way through it. In both of these scenarios, swing trading may be your best option for the time being. Now, on to results. If you have 2 or more no answers, swing trading may probably not be, a perfect style. Intraday trading or scalping may suit you better. So watch our videos on just them. The links are in the description. If you have 2 or more yes answers, swing trading may be a good choice. Share your results in the comments. Is swing trading your thing or not? In the meantime, I'll be back with more videos with real-time trading tips.